Gender. Can't aspire to get ahead, so bump that, it's no surrender. Got a dollar flipped up. I'm trying to get it an FT to get them when they're hand and crypto. Learn how to fix that. I don't really hold out of books, but I'ma learn how to fix that. Some opportunities are never come unless you paying attention, so no, I can't miss that. Moving. MVP, I got the record, I might have to prove something. Big jumper worthy, they gon' have to retire my jersey early. Whole crew coming, had to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket. Yeah, I did all that. Big plans, partners trying to make profits. Yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no ends. Yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen. Putting hours in my practice, I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, yeah, run it, ooh. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my big dog walking big talk, young veteran, living legend, bet I'm better than them. This is my ship, I'ma jack it like Letterman. Y'all better not let them in, they gon' rotate this, so I keep the pedaling. Started a chain, the cycle is heaven sent. This is from God, but I'm not your reverend, not in the pulpit. I'm a pit bull in this element, yeah. Said you gon' pull up, then settle it, yeah. I've been married to this hustle, this is my ring, watch out step in it, yeah. And I ain't even got a yard, but I'ma get it here. Watch out touchdown, pulling plans out the clutch. Everybody getting crushed, the cut down is for us now. Have to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket, yeah, I did all that. Big plans, partners trying to make profits, yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no ends, yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen, putting hours in my practice, I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, yeah, run it, ooh. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my, yeah. Run it, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, yeah, run it, ooh. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my pen ready. Used to hold myself back, my self-esteem been petty. Gotta keep on chugging, ran through everything in front of me. Might smoke bed heavy, got a whole agenda. Can't aspire to get ahead, so bump that, it's no surrender. Got a dollar flipped up. I'm trying to get it an FT to get them when they're hand and crypto. Learn how to fix that. I don't really...
Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How we doing? How's the sound? All right, let me say everything in. Let me close all this. Chromebook Trader. Got a bit of an echo. Let me see where that's coming from. Sounds good to you? Can see the live twice. Let me just sort that out, guys, and I'll come back to you. Good music, but double. Where's that coming from? Where's that? Ah, maybe here. Maybe here. Is that better? Yeah. All right, we're good. Hello everyone. Who we got? Sorry for the delay. Unfortunately, I don't know what's happening with our family this year. I've got another family member in the hospital. So since Thursday, I've been going over there. I need someone to, in Greece we say xematiasi, which means take the evil eye away. Right, so who we got? Janice, Bobby, Marcel, Seal of Salmon. Morning. Good morning, good morning. Right, it's been a while, so I'm not going to catch up with everyone. Abdul, Kilonzo, Zan, Julius, Francis, Raymond, Van Norazi Khan, Jackie, Pop, Twan. I said I wouldn't, but I have. Right, let's go and see what's happening in the world. This is where we left it. Last week, we didn't trade these days because of what happened. Another family event. Fortunately, I want some happy family events, but that's life. I took out 5K for this month. So not the best month. We've done a lot better with a lot less trading. So we'll get back to it. But that curve is looking nicely, 45 degrees, 71% there for the next. Right, let's jump on to, I know what everyone's gonna ask about. Where is the Discord? We've hit more than 5,000. I haven't checked actually. We need to check where we're at. Let's have a look. We are at 5,110. Wow. I think, actually it says on the stream, doesn't it? Can't read it. 110, yeah. Nice. Lure the music down. Let's put that down a bit. How about that? Now you can hear the bikes going around. Let's see. Trading View. How's everyone been doing it? Did you trade last week, end of week? Interesting price action on the pound dollar as always. We had a big sell-off. Ooh, look at that. Let's see where we're getting involved. Half an hour into the open. Just tuning my eyes. Someone said, Yanis, let's see how Yanis is going to manage this horrible entry here. That's normal, guys. Price delivered. Interesting. Let's see the news. Baby pips. Price is pushing 28 open. That's a strong open in the first half hour. Let's look at the bigger picture a bit. Dailies. Filled the fair value gap of a weekly to a T. Wow. Look at that. Nice. 3 red weeks. Well, this is the current week. Indecision candle this week. And now it's pushing lower. We need to put our dailies in. I am gonna address everything, including the Discord. I know everyone's really excited. That's not the low. Tune in. Let's go there. Right, we've got a bit of a pin coming down on the daily. Let's get our fib. Price has been aggressive on the pound dollar. People are a bit anxious with all these hawkish moves from the Fed and then Bank of England announcements. Jobs coming out good, so positivity, but then the interest rate fear. A lot of happening in the field of Forex right now. Tapped. You see that? Tapped there. That fair value gap. Bam bam. Big push up. Where did it stop? Failed to take the highs. Let's take these out. This is where our entry was, remember? And then it came down, repositioned. By this time here, pretty much $500 in profit. If it didn't, came back down and then it delivered that. That's why you need some patience around this. A bit, what can you call it? A bit of a unpredictable market. You need to be a bit more, decrease risk a little bit. Dum dum. Who else we got? Mr. Bazooka, Simon. Good morning. Sound is good. Background music should be better now. Lab from India. Talking about India, Discord. I have found a developer that's gonna make us a really, really good Discord. Well, I'm hoping anyway, because I'm paying him. So hopefully that'll be a good Discord. There is going to be an announcement today. It's going to take some time to develop. We don't want anything that doesn't work good. And been working on some graphics to go out on Instagram soon. The Conscious Day Trader Discord. For a celebration of hitting our 5,000. Where are the glasses, guys? Wait, where's the stream? Where's the stream? There it is. Right. I'm looking forward to have our own bespoke emojis as well. That'll be fun. Bit of a Ragnar emoji. Let me show you a little sneak peek. I'm not getting involved this. I am considering getting involved at Equilibrium. I need to see news. Let's see. Yanis getting involved at Equilibrium. What's wrong with you? The price has been reacting differently, so we need to adapt. That's why following one trader who does the same thing every day, it's hard to work out. So we've got 5 o'clock news, ISM manufacturer and PMI. Medium news at 11:30 in an hour. S&P. Okay. We're up to date. Tomorrow, Tuesday, nothing. Wednesday, ooh, FOMC minutes. That's gonna be a bit of volatility there. We've got Thursday, bit of news. Friday, okay, it's looking quite volatile. So today and tomorrow, it's probably a bit of a testing the ground and assessing out what's going on. Let's go on the 1 minute or 5 minute. Taking the lows. Two things that I'm gonna do differently that you've seen me trade. Like in the past, what's worked really well, I say past, like last few weeks, is taking the extension of the candle, because we don't worry, because we can reposition it, right? I'm gonna wait for confirmations this time. So what I mean by that is we're gonna wait for a break of structure, fair value gap filled, and then take a long, if we're going long. I'm also debating my head, my brain is debating, for continuations, because continuation have worked really well in the last month. And that's what's been getting us caught, because the movements are not just fakes, they're actual movements. So if you're new to the pound dollar, decrease risk. I've said it, you've been warned. Decrease risk. Is there a delay? Is there a delay onto my sound? Marcel says. Let me see. Good morning, Chris. Good morning, Flippin' Fox. Disco Glass is coming up. Joshua. Have you tried the buy side and sell side liquidity indicator buyer? I don't like indicators because I don't actually use them. No delay for me. Okay. Let's open this bad boy. Not that bad boy. Did I close it? This bad boy. Discord, baby. Loading. So probably be out. I'm having a meeting at 2 o'clock for someone to set us up. And then we'll see, depending on the numbers and what we do, if there's going to be a need for like a moderator. I know Marcel is going to be involved, so I need to chat with him. You know Marcel. Discord loading. 2 Discords. There's going to be the free version, which is going to be the community based. Everyone's asked for a community, so there you go. We're delivering. There's going to be voice room, chat rooms. It's going to be evolving as well. And then there's going to be a paid version, which we're going to call Vanguard. And that's going to have a weekly webinar. So with a Q&A. So you can come on and we'll be face to face. Don't need to be shy. And you can ask me directly to look at your chart and see why things are not working or whatever. Whatever I can help, I'm gonna do that. Monthly book club as well, idea from Marcel. I think that's a great idea. We can have a one book that we meet up once a month. I'm a slow reader. It's pushing down. Let's see, equilibrium. All right, so we see this move. We are interested. But we want to see a break of this. unless you want to follow that down, but I want to follow that up. So we're going to see a break of this, see the price action, and then get involved. Where can I learn repositioning? Every day on live streams. Talk about it every day. So, let's go back to the good Discord, because I know a lot of people are here. Ragnar is our little Vanguard membership. So we talked about monthly book club. Obviously, this here, the free version, is for anyone who wants to like jump in and have a little community. I want this to kind of be independent of me. Like people that trade are like, you can jump in, you can talk to each other. Yes, I'll run the server and I'll make sure it runs really well with all the perks and all these things. But it's going to be totally free. You can chat rooms. I'm going to try and level up the server so you can share screens. You can discuss ideas, conscious day trader ideas, ICT, whatever you want. So that's the plan. And this is going to require a bit of my time. So it's going to be a monthly subscription. You don't have to do it. You can stay on the free stuff. If you want to give back to me as well. And this is going to be more of the Vanguard voice chat where I'll jump in there as well. Whenever the family and my little son allows me to. Obviously, you get access to the above as well, the community in the chat. But this is more a bit private for the hardcore people. And you get fun emojis and emotes. This is a new ground for me. I'm not really looked into Discord deeply. That's why when you don't know something, get someone else to do it. Don't do a half job. Just get someone who knows what he's doing. Right, so here we go. This is pushing. Now imagine if we got involved here. That's what I mean. It's like prices and pound dollar has been pumping. What are we on? 36 pips. That's a big open. We'll let it do its thing. Don't need to chase anything. We did take out, if you're following on Instagram, we took out, you can see withdrawal. I can't withdraw for the next 14 days because I took 5K out. The monthly subscription will be $19.99 for this, which is peanuts. Well, not for everyone. I appreciate that. But in terms of me doing 4 weekly webinars, 4 in a month, plus getting involved in stuff. Yeah. But I'm willing to do that. I think we have some people in here that I need to meet. And a lot of people were asking me for mentorship. I'm not going to do that. I've told you why, because it just takes a lot of time. But we'll jump on a call. The way it's going to be is like, does anyone know Clubhouse? The app Clubhouse, where you're on stage and then you pull up a person and the person chats and then you put them back on the stage. So on Discord, there's a thing where it's called stages. Depending on people, if it's like 5 people, then that's easy to do. If there's like, I don't know, 50 people, then we might have to do it differently. We might have like a time limit where everyone can ask a question for like 2.5 minutes. You know, when I was trading, I always wanted someone to overlook my stuff. That, you know, am I doing this right? Or like, am I on the right track? What am I missing? And that can be just a little nugget that when you're face to face, you just get it, and then you're like, boom, everything is sunk in. Also focus on the conscious part. I agree. This is going to be part of the voice and chat Vanguard membership, where we're going to break down different areas. So let's say I'm a struggling trader who wants to talk about my psychology, and I've done my weekly Q&A, and I have to wait for another week to jump on a call to discuss that again. Until then, you can jump on these voice chats, and you can put your question in. You know, like, we've got some really experienced guys in here as well. If I can't answer, I'll make sure, and I'll need to check, you know, slowly as we evolve this. There will be a process where someone can become a moderator, like depending on their experience, how good they are as a trader, and obviously they will get some perks. There will be like moderator meetings where they can get some extra stuff. And these guys will be like the experts, you know. I always wanted to have someone who's like, I've got a burning question now. Who can I ask? And if we go through a little bit of a validation to check if they're actually good, they're not bluffing, then we can get them involved as well. What we're saying, Scott, yes, Yanis, that's me sometimes thinking I'm on the right track and then I'm not. Pound USD, buy. Let's see. I've told you what we're doing. I am looking for buys. We're in discounted area, but because of how the price has been, how it's been behaving, I'm not trusting getting like we normally do with a falling knife, right? So we're going to see a break of structure. This is on the 1 minute. You see that? It looks heavy. So we're going to see a break of structure, retest, and then get involved. And that's going to be our first entry. With everything, we forward test, right? So maybe that doesn't work. Can we make money out of it? Absolutely yes. Why? Because we can reposition price. Yes, I might not be getting this bottom price, but that is 5 pips difference from our previous strategy, and we're waiting for a good repositioning and so on. Kevin, I'm a mod on another channel. It's very rewarding helping other traders. Well, that might be something that you can work with the conscious group as well. And there's going to be a process that we need to. I'm going to be very, very strict on who's going to become a moderator. Marcel, I know he's going to be a moderator because he's a proven method just by his dedication. Like, honestly, this guy, and I'm not bigging you up, Marcel, this is coming from the heart. This is your dedication to, comment on each video and help other people by saying, this is where this happened, this is where that happened. That's a guy who finds that, he's doing it not just to show off. He really wants to be involved. So that kind of person for me is spot on for the community. And I know you'll appreciate it as well. So, right, we're having a bit of a break on this. What we got here? We got the highs here. Let's see how this reacts. Kilonzo, I love to see this price action. Monday can be the low of the week if we are seriously bullish, but however, this is the 50-50 week. No clear bias. All right, we broke above that. This is 1 minute. We've got buy side above. Ba-ba. Got a fair value gap there. It's quite low. Mm-mm. 1 minute. Fair value gap. Buy side taken out. You can see all these fair value gaps here. 1, 2, 3. Let's see this action. Rafa, hello. What about running update? Running update? What's that? That's what I forgot to put in here, is the fitness side of this. Still heavy. Need to see how the DXY, what's it doing. Let's put an alarm. Alert there. Oh, when the Discord is going to be up. I'm going to chat to the developer today. He's an amazing guy. I've seen his work. Looks great. Get the dad bods back in the cage. Agreed, including me. Guys, I need to show you my condition that I used to be in. I didn't have an inch of fat in 2016. That was like super like lean. And now I've got like a belly and feel unfit. We need to change that. So in here, including in this Vanguard voice and chat, there's going to be accountability. We're going to take, like in terms of manifestation, what are we working towards? Where are we going? Are we accountable towards those goals? Pins down. How do you manage risk so well using repositioning? Well, combination of things. I just trade the pound dollar, so I know when it's behaving differently. This is my risk management. I'm changing the way I'm trading right now. Why? Because I've seen proof of 2 weeks. Things that used to work didn't work as well as they used to work. So we need to adapt to the new condition of the market. And that's where people get it wrong. Here we got a fair value gap here, got filled. Again, a bit of reaction. Bit push down. Potentially get involved here. We'll test that. We'll see it. We don't need to go big size. We need to sync up with the market again, right? Market's been quite tricky. I hope you've. I'm sure you've felt that as well. If you trade the pound dollar and things that normally work are suddenly not quite crisp, but they used to be. Maybe a psychology channel would help. Yeah, absolutely. This is going to be this one here. Voice and chat. It's going to be like a troubleshoot plus an area where people can find what they need from the community. There's huge research done that big things, generally as humans, we achieve big things when we're part of a group. Here we go. Your own tribe, like your own guys that you've got your back. Guys, today I messed up. I got this entry, got stopped out here. I was too fearful to take that. I don't know why I did that. Well, guess what? There's a lot of people that have done the same thing. And then you can feed from that. You can learn from them. Failed to take these low. Having a bit of a burst up. What's it done? You have to get used. This is the 1 minute, so it's not a huge move. 6 pips. Early in the month, that's the displacement above. Asif, hi Yanis, hope you're good. Hope you're good too. Did it take the highs? No. That's the highs we're looking at. Let's go on the hour. There's still this bit here, hasn't been filled. From the big displacement here. Boom, boom. Price looks breaking down. Someone can see this as a downward movement and then filling fair value gaps to the upside. And then continuation down. Can you make money with this displacement? Let's have a look. Yeah, you can make 30 pips. If you want to be on the long side, if you want to be on the short side and you miss this move, you can get involved up here. Plenty of opportunities. Dum. Taking out the liquidity, pushing down. What's it gonna do? It's gonna fill some fair value gaps. Where are the fair value gaps? Let's move this one. Let's see this push down, and then I think we're gonna get involved. Actually, I'm not using my phone, so I can get in with my phone. Got my phone going on the side. Buy, sell, easy. Market orders. Let's see if it gives us that. It took that fair value gap there. Is it going to give us this? Thorium pushes down heavily. Give us an entry. Why have I not get involved yet? Like we said, we're changing slightly the things we're doing. Normally, I get involved down here. And today, this is the day it's going to change, isn't it? And things that normally work. It's only 13 pips there, so we don't have to go crazy. What's that, $130? Right, who we got? Chilonzo. I had a break even on pound dollar last 2 weeks with a euro and 4%. Nice, I love it. Repositioning 2 with my new twist. That's gonna go a long way, my friend. That's the language you need to use. Take things that I do, change them to your own, make them their own, make things that work for you. And you got the winning recipe. Took my first withdrawal from Fivers today from 5k instant. That's all thanks to you, Yanis. Massive thank. That's just you, buddy. That's you. Radio jingles. Send me a picture on Instagram and we'll post it. We'll celebrate. I've got a free phone, so we can do it right now, if you want. Let's see. Send me a message. Oh, there he is. Let's celebrate. Look at that. Boom, boom, boom. Radio jingles. Let's find you. Radio. I can't find you. Radio jingle. Must be written something else. There we go. Big man just brought in his first 250, is it? $250. Smashing it. Right, this is another entry here. It's a continuation, but we're getting into premium ground now. We need to be back down in these areas. DXY has a gap, I think. It's a good target. Where's the gap? Oh, here. That got filled, remember? We talked about it. The other gap we were looking at. We do like gaps. That's filling up here. We just wanted to push higher. Give us a nice entry. We're scouting, guys. We're scouting. When we scout, who do we need to talk to? Ragnar. Pound dollar is not behaving. We need to adjust. We need to move units in place. We need strategy. Are we going to miss the move? That's what we're thinking. But if you miss a move, you can catch the next one. Wise words from Neg Ragnar. The leader of the Vanguard. He's waiting patiently to get involved. This price action is looking good. We just need that valid entry to deploy our first units. So we will call you back, Ragnar, when it's time. He's ready. He's ready. Look at that. People appreciating jingles on Instagram. Congratulations, buddy. That's only the start. Only the start. We're going big. But in a conscious manner. We're not risking to make money. Look at that breakout. Come on. Come on. That's our normal setup. We would have evolved here. $18 pips. Volume coming in. Volume. We need to wake up this Monday. We need to tune our swords. Yanis, you're enjoying that music too much. I agree. I agree. It took a while to put it together. When you do something and it's hard work, you should enjoy it. All right, let's kill that alert. I don't need that alert now. Let's reflect on this. Reflect on this. Could I have been involved somewhere where I didn't? We had these here. Right, we were here. We took the highs. Maybe I should have taken this. Would it make sense for me to take this? What's this? I'm not used to the 1 minute. That's what it is. This is only 5 pips. Maybe I should have taken that. Break of the structure. Fill the fair value. There. I should have get involved here. All right. That's information for the next play. Price is now pushing up. Pushing up nicely. Right, who we got? DJ Ragnar. There's a lot of noise back out there. I need to grease this. Right, maybe you can hear me better now. You can hear me now, yeah. Hopefully July you get back to 10K plus a month. Summer weeks, months are a bit funny for trading. We had some really good months in the beginning of the year. really good months. So we need to find our groove. We need to find it. It's not that we're not making good money, right? I'm making a lot more than I used to with my 9 to 5. And with considering what's going on with my family, even making money, I'm quite pleased with that. 5k this month. Yes, it's not a 10k, but still good money. Still gonna pay everything that we need. We can't be greedy. We're still moving up. That look at that. Come on, guys, that's good. Where's the likes? Are we liking this? 52 likes? Insulting, guys. Come on, I've been working on your Discord. I'm just kidding. Everything I do, I enjoy doing it. I wouldn't do it otherwise. Yeah, this is a bit painful now, isn't it? Missing this move. We talked about it. Get involved, Yanis. Bam, bam. So, if we go on the hour, we're having that push up. Let's see, bigger picture. Let's hide this for a second. Above equilibrium. This is the fair value gap that can go and fill, which is gonna probably fill this. Look at that fair value gap. But also, look at what's happening on the bigger picture. That is the fair value gap we're in, and we need to be aware of. Don't be like the horses where they put something and I'm like, I'm buying because I'm doing this. We had higher highs, boom. Break of structure here. Came back, fill this. Ideally pushes up higher before it starts coming down. Break of structure here, higher highs, took out the lows here. Just move these previous dailies. The reason I haven't started Discord already is because I like doing things the right way, you know? Like this YouTube channel. You can't start something just to start something. It has to have value. And we're gonna make it right. We're gonna pay the right people to make it right. And if it's not right and what we want, we're going to tell them about it to fix it. Okay, so this is the action. This green candle is promising. Promising. Yes, you can get involved here, but the whole move has been 20 pips. Ooh, where's the previous daily low? It's quite far away. Ugh, 70 pips. What I'm thinking, guys, is do we get involved here? It is tempting. Price being filled here. Let's do an alert. Chris says it went without me. It did go without me as well. But you have to think about it, right? If we had 2 positions in our normal setup, we would get in here 18 pips, so 180 times 2, 360. Okay, we haven't missed a huge move. It's just a 1 minute. If we throw down a 15 minute, that's what we've missed. Doesn't look that crazy, does it? Sometimes we need to put things in perspective. I hate London reversals because of this. You've got to catch the move early or you won't have an entry. We're learning, guys. We're learning. You need to be patient. If you want to be profitable, you need to be patient. There's a new... Let's take it like this. I need Ragnar for this. Ragnar is going to explain to us what's happening now. So basically what's happening now, we've got a new enemy in town, right? So this setup, which normally works, hasn't been working for the 2 weeks. So what do you do to fight that enemy? Do you just throw more? I'm not going to give an example of the current world. Do you just throw your units forward and hope for the best? No. You adjust. What's the new scenario? Okay, price needs confirmation. Have we seen confirmation? Yes. Okay. Was it a deep confirmation? No. It was a shallow confirmation. Okay, we missed this move. What does that tell us? Now we're having a bit of a breakdown. Why? Why is this happening? Let's explain price action, guys. That's how you learn. What is price doing? I can't see anything here, so I need to go higher. Is there anything here? Not much. I need to go lower. Fair value gap's being filled. This has come back up into this area here. Now what we're thinking is this the continuation down because of what's going on in the price action, or is the break to continue higher? Is this what we're looking for, or is it this? Is that the break we're looking for? Because the price has been creating lower lows, right? Where is it going? It's filling this fair value gap here. Where are we in? We're in a fair value gap, a big one, a weekly. So what we're anticipating, price can push down. Can it push down to the lows? Let's look at it. Sell sides here. We've had that little M shape. Let's get a shape here. This one. There, there, and there. It's creating... I can see the pin happening. We've got a warning on the DXY. That didn't give us a warning, did it? Maybe I missed it. Let's check the minute again. Price is pushing down. We're learning. We're like computers, Trying to understand. What's the new algorithm? What's the new target? If it took, has it taken any highs here? No. So is this a retracement to push up? Possibly. Can we get in here? Yes, but it's a better price down here. Why? Because we can manage it better. Current price is sitting at 68. That's a little bit better. On the fair value is 68. $680 with one position. 1,200 for two positions. Drawdown that we need to be aware of. So let's see if it gives us this. We're going to get involved with one position. What can it be targeting? That's the one. Come on, Jan. Get your fingers out. We're getting there. Now we're going to be patient because we're trying something new. So we had that push up, break of structure above. Let's come down, fill this fair value gap here. ICT, this is. ICT stuff. Now, normally we go with 2 lots, but we're going to wait for this. This here. What's that? 1, 2, 6, 5, 4, 6. Let's get our entry in. Results, properties. We are long at 1, 2, 6, 6, 8, 2. We need our guy on YouTube to say, that's a horrible entry. Hello, Yanis, the crypto queen. Hello, James. Zen Space. Yes, please, price action. Let's continue with the price action. Hi again, Mike. Right, so that's what's happened. We're testing the market. We had a valid reason to get in here. We've planned for the price to come down here. Now, when you're trying something new, let's make that there. That's what we're looking. That's what we're planning for. Normally, what I plan for happens. So we'll see if this new approach is a good approach for this type of market that we're in. We're trying something new. And there's nothing bad about trying something new when you see the conditions of the market that you normally trade in are not quite behaving right. So what we don't want to see here, if this is the new conditions, this low being broken, all right? I do like this as the second entry, 126606. Where is it? Oh, that's lower. Is it 606? Ah, it's here. Okay, it's higher. I do like that though. Let's see. Target. The highs, that'll be $400. With one position. 800 with two positions. But do we worry about that? No. Let's even take it out. We don't worry about that. We're worrying about repositioning right now. How am I gonna, let's say this goes horribly wrong. How am I getting my money out? That's what we worry about. Nick Abramidis is giving fire on the Instagram front. David Gilmore is also clapping. Our friend Jingles. That gives me a push forward, says Akram. That's what we're here for. Get each other. Manifest our lives. If I can do it, you can do it, guys. It's 100% for sure. I had nothing when I did this. Nothing. I learned it by myself and some mentors on the way, like the Scruffy Trader, like ICT. A lot of time, more than 6,000 hours in front of the screens. And I'm still learning every day. Rafa has got 20 pips in profit. I'll explain my 20 pips profit. I went short at 750 when we get into 1 minute fair value gap. Why? There was a displacement after taking Asian. Good job. You see? He made money down here. Great stuff. I love it when other people make money in different ways because we're not the same traders. Rafa sees something else. I see something else. And if you've noticed, guys, what I'm really proud of this community, not a lot of people are looking for signal. And that makes me very proud because you know what the answer is. Give me a second. All right, we're back. Bit of family stuff. Price action here. Let's see, it's looking quite nice. Here comes a bit of volume. It looks a lot less on the hour. This is looking quite nice. So the $400 is quite high up, isn't it? Or did I take it out? I took it out. Yeah, it's really high up. It's up there somewhere. So it needs to be the move of the day. Where we are. I am now funded with the 5% as high stakes account. You inspired me. Muzz, there you go. Smashing it. Makes me so proud. Drop us a message on Instagram and let's get you up there. I'll be waiting. Oof. Has the Asian haven't taken though? High taken there. For some motivation, I have been trading for 20 years, looking to every strategy and indicator out there, trying everything on Forex. Nothing worked. What's going to get from that, guys? What are you going to get from that? The key is in strategy. Changing strategies. Doing different things. It's not in the strategy. It's not in the conscious day trader way of trading. It's not in the Scruffy or the ICT. It's all in knowing what you need. If you know what you need as a trader to be calm, to be able to look at the market, see it clearly, manage risk, that's where it's all at. That's how you're going to become profitable. It doesn't matter if it's 20, 40, 50 years. That's what it takes. If you get there and your goal is to be financial free and you get there, unless you quit, you're on the process of becoming better. You're improving. If you quit, maybe it's not for you. And that can be a good decision if you realize that it's not for you. Not everything, not everyone can be a basketball player, or not everyone can be we have to remember we're talking to become the best of the best. People that take money out of the market have to be the best of the best, because otherwise you become the liquidity, like we talk about. If you become the liquidity, sell side or buy side, then unfortunately you're not going to make market in this field. And don't be stubborn, like now. Something that worked for me up to now really well, making good profits. It hasn't been working for the last 2 weeks. What do? Do we change everything? Do I jump strategies? Absolutely not. 6 months with 3 days of loss. No. What you do though is adapt. If you don't adapt, that's when it goes wrong. How are we doing on the likes? Do I dare look? 300 downvotes. We're not seeing enough Ragnar. 81. Come on, we can do better. We can do better. 110 people are like, nah. Not enough Ragnar. Let's see the chat. What's the chat saying? Six years later, I've got my first funded account. I stopped jumping all over the place. I'm putting words into your mouth, summarizing it. Yeah, Zan has got a good point. Like, there's no such thing as... Well, there is a holy grail for your way of trading. And that's what you need to find. If you find it, like we say every time, bottle it, make it your own. What time will I end this live? I think one. Hopefully around 1. We'll see. We start a bit late today. I tend to do 3 hours. Normally we see good setups around 12:30, so that's nice to have the half hour around that. Price action. We've seen what's happened. Price is building up. Bit of momentum. Let's see what we take out of this move. The highs here is what? 130. Seeing this price action now, creating highs. Few pin bars coming in. People who trade order blocks would say that hit that order block and now it's reacting. Bit of a squeezing price around this area. That's a good sign. I'm referring to that squeezing. A lot of pin bars on the 1 minute. God, I haven't brought any food today. I'm going to be starving. If I get moody, guys, I haven't eaten anything today. Would you use this same strategy with a time limit? I'm seeing I may need to up my risk if I want to hit the target in 30 days. I don't like time limits. I do like the fivers where they give you like a year to pass something. Can Ragnar show where he puts his fib and equilibrium? That entry was in premium for my analysis. You're absolutely right. What did I say, Ali? I'm changing a little bit what I'm doing. We've got an entry in equilibrium. Normally I just wait for extended moves. However, we're testing something new. That's why we've only got one position in, not two. Give me 1 second, guys. I have to juggle a few things with actual life and trading. And life. That is life. Boom. Ooh, a bit of volume coming down. Took out the lows. Where's our entry? Took out the lows, like we said. I do like that. We'll get that. That's the fair value gap there. So that's it, guys. That's our 2 entries of our new trial. So now it's either going to work or we're going to have to manage it, which is more likely. Let's take this out. It's hunting the lows. That's been out. Took out this fair value. Let's see. Is it going to take the lows? Hopefully not. Took out these lows. These lows. This song has the same melody as Just the Two of Us, in a chill version. Not saying he's copied it, but it's got the same rhythm. Just the two of us. Price is indecisive around this area. It's discussing with itself. Are we going up or are we going down? Let's see. 5 minute. That push didn't take the lows. It doesn't mean that it might not take the lows. Here we go. Right guys, I need to make a phone call. I'm going to keep it on. I'm just going to mute myself. Two-second guys, I'll be back with you. Right, so what we're thinking, guys, reposition this. That's what we're thinking. Why don't you not leave it there? Because it's better to be safe and to get a better price, and that one price can pay us. If that doesn't happen, we're happy to keep these two positions in this area. Price is teasing us around that area. Nothing I can go, guys. Unfortunately, we have a situation, like I said earlier, with a family member. So I need to balance that whilst we're doing this live. Good morning, Alberto. Price is tackling the lows. This looks like a nice continuation to the downside, doesn't it? But, like we said, people are sweating about trading. Sunny morning in Scotland. Bam, bam. Trading should never be stressful. Alberto, watching you while I'm trading and working 9 to 5. Hopefully I quit as well at some point. There's nothing hopeful in your goal for that to happen. Nothing to hope for. Only a plan on when that's going to happen. How would it? 5,121. pushing higher, guys. Normally we have a lot more Ragnar going on, explaining with the units of what's happening. But I just need to be on my phone for a second. I enjoy trading. Do you, Yanis? Yeah, I would never do anything that I'm not enjoying. Jay says, expecting GU to go down. Clean sell stops. Let's see. I'm gonna put a, actually, let's have a look at the DXY. At the moment, we're tackling this area here. Price is retesting the yearly swing highs. It can go anywhere at this point, possibly mitigate to daily bullish order block. This is a 5-minute fair value gap there. Getting close. I normally reposition at $4.5 just so we don't have to pay the charge for the lot. It's $4.50 to open a position. There we go. If it gives us that, we'll just take it. So we repositioned that. We paid $4 for that. It would have been fine, I just wanted to take it. There you go, $4. And now we're left with this position here. Reposition live. Does it get any better than that? Mike Sensei, it's gonna dump any moment. It's gonna rain any moment. There's an earthquake somewhere in the world. Price is gonna do what it's gonna do. How have you prepared to mitigate it? That's what you need to focus on. It doesn't help saying this might happen, this might happen. Whatever happens, you need to be in a position to deal with it. Oh, good point. Good point. We closed that, so we need to change that. Repositioned. long. Now we have 1.26622. That's a better price, isn't it? Right, let's bring Ragnar. I think we need Ragnar. Ragnar, so far, repositioned our worst units. Let's see what that means on the charts. And we're gonna need that to bring in the units. And to bring on the units, we have to jump onto our trading view. We're gonna see how we successfully repositioned our worst units, which are these guys. Our first units entered the battle. Let's see what price it was. 126,682. 126,682. This is where we entered these guys. They were exposed, but Ragnar, as always, has the best plans for our units. And 16622 came to the rescue. 6622. Down here. What happened next? We brought our reinforcements. Reinforcements pushed the price up and saved our units and retreated to the original position. So now they are pushing the price up. We are currently sitting in $111 in profit. Do we care about that? Not much. Why? Because we care about the price coming down. As a commander of the conscious day traders, as Ragnar, I don't care about the profits and the wins. I care about where can I reposition if my units are in trouble. Now the only units that are exposed are these guys. These are out of the battle and safely stored away. If price comes and breaks the lows, these guys will be ready. Why? Because this original can reposition this. There we go. That's the situation right now. Thanks, Ragnar. Oh, it didn't dump, says Mike. It didn't rain either. There's no rain here. Coulda, woulda, shoulda. This can easily dump, Mike. Just check something. All right, so where did we reposition? Is there any point repositioning here? Not really, because that's pretty much the same position. If we are right, this is gonna do its job, and we just have to be patient to get our money out. If this goes down, we decrease risk. Hello, Murray. Welcome. What did you miss? You missed the announcement that the Discord is being built. And for the people that are tuning in, we've decided to do the Conscious Day Trader Discord, which is going to be loading. Talking to a developer this afternoon. 2 o'clock actually. After this, there's going to be a free version. People were asking for a community for these guys who want to continue after the live and chat. You can do that. There's going to be voice rooms, chat rooms, and all the guys that are going to be the Vanguard members can also have access to the voice and chat of the free members. So you can get some more of the hardcore fans jumping in the free to help out some guys if they want to, obviously. And then it's the Vanguard, which is going to be $19.99, and we're going to do a weekly Q&A each week, weekly. Check the trade. Okay. So now I've got the freedom of the phone, so we can see the trade there. So there's going to be a weekly Q&A, face-to-face, a bit like for the people that have used Clubhouse before. Someone will lift their hand up, camera will be on, because I want to see people. I want to understand where they're at. And body language can say a lot about a person. So it's going to be cameras on. Okay, if you're shy, maybe you can text me. And then we can do it maybe. But I think it's really useful to do these face-to-face, because you can tell a lot from looking at someone in the eye, can understand the psychology, and maybe what you need as a trader might come out through your body language rather than what you're saying. So that's why I think it's important during the Q&As to turn the cameras on, and everyone in the community will meet you, and this will be your time to chat with them in that weekly. Obviously you have the Vanguard voice and chat, which you can go in. Is the Discord free? There is a free version. It's going to be this one. So you're going to have a community. Give me 1 second, I'll get back. So yes, we were talking about the free version of the Discord, and then like you can see it here, guys, $19.99. It's going to be that version, which how's the price doing? Let's see, our trade. We're sitting on 13 pips. Price is going higher. And that will get you access to the private Vanguard's voice and chat members. It will give you the monthly book club, which we're going to decide on what book we're reading. Yes, It's all going to be about improving ourselves. And I'm going to read each book as well. And then we're going to discuss it once a month. We're going to talk about the book. What did we take out of it? And I'm intrigued to listen about you guys as well. What books you read and what did you get out of it? And how it's going to help me as well, including you. The Vanguard will also give you conscious day trader emotes to make those, might be funny, and emojis, and also, like we said, the weekly Q&A. Something that I haven't included in here is going to be the moderators. The moderators will touch base on a separate occasion. And these guys are going to be people that are helping the community. And my way of giving back to them would be give some of my time. Because I think the most crucial thing that I can give at this moment is my time. Because if I use time, I'm taking time away from my family and my son. So, that's it. That's what we did on the Discord. I hope it's satisfying both the freebie people and also the people that wanted more from me. 20 seems like a fair price. Thanks for not making it super expensive. I know I got a lot of kickback from my wife for keeping it low, but I don't know. I do things differently. I think there needs to be access. And yes, like if you consider my previous job as a strength coach, I would charge £80. That's like $100 an hour. So this is $19.99, 20 quid for a month. We're gonna have to listen to that as well. Give me 1 second, I'll answer that. Nope, missed it. So yeah, I think it's that accessibility. I think it's fair priced, and I think it's on the low end. And I'm gonna try and keep it there. You know what? That's what we're gonna try and do. I'm gonna get a lot of stick from my wife for putting this extra work in, but I think it's gonna be worth it. $20 in my home country is like 23,000, Mike Sensei. I hear ya. It's very subjective, isn't it? Someone who's got a decent job in New York, that's not even a coffee. But for someone who's in a different country, different wages, I can understand that. I can understand that. Let me try and answer that. Busy, busy, busy. Price is doing its thing. What time is it? 12. We do get a bit of volatility around this time. Haven't seen that desktop phone for years. This was my dad's office. I like working here. I feel like close to him. Hmm, 14 pips. It's going to take the highs here, and then it's either going to push down or continue higher. We'll see. Your playlist is fire. We have to thank Stig for that. We gave him a lot of stick for complaining for the music, but he's done us a good job. It made me do more work, but with more work comes better quality. That's what I think. Ragnar's DJing in the background. Where is he? Doing some Viking DJing with his big beard. What are you saying, Ragnar? How are units looking? Getting some nice messages from you guys for help with the Discord. As I explained, the Discord, the moderators will be a slow process to bring someone in. And the reason is I would like to make sure that the quality of a trader that's coming in needs to be a good standard to be able to answer questions from the guys that are already in the group. And these guys are also going to be representing kind of my answers as well. So it's quite a tricky like place to be, you know, like it needs to be, if someone's giving some advice to someone, it needs to be good advice, especially when they're in the vanguard. So it's going to take some time to find good moderators. Abdamotion, miss your lives. I know, right? I'm gonna do more. Specifically, there should be ICT traders too. I agree. There definitely needs to be backgrounds in ICT because mostly what we look at, apart from the risk management, is ICT. Good old Michael. Recent subscriber, BT. Is he from the UK? Is he representing, what was it, BT? Is it British Television or something? I can't remember what BT stands for. Price has given us a high of 160, so 16 pips. Imagine Michael accepting to be our moderator. Michael is trying to decrease. He's realized that time is the biggest asset you can have. And it's slowly decreasing. I think it's is it this year the last mentorship is doing? This will be cool though. Imagine the moderators having a yearly meetup in Bali where we discuss all about trading and the Discord and the community. That'll be cool. British Telecom, that's it. Marcel had an accident in a meditation camp. Hope it wasn't under ayahuasca. Simon, looking forward to the Discord. Trading and involvement is tricky with full-time work and family, but enjoying the sidelines anyway. What do you think of Marcel is saying I've had worse than ayahuasca? Should I worry, Marcel? What do you think of ICT, the teacher, not the trader? I find it very difficult and time-consuming sitting through the never-ending rants. Good question. It's one of the most common questions asked for ICT. I would say he's a natural good trader, like incredible trader. As a teacher, he has people that will be like die hard, yes to whatever he says. But if you're in that mid lower end, then you might find him a bit repetitive on the rants. But if you can stick through them, you'll always find the golden nuggets that come out of that. So you may ask, why don't just skip the rants? I think he likes, that's a bit of his psychology as well, the way he expresses all this. Instead of holding it in or discussing it with a friend or his wife, he wants to discuss it directly with the people who are bringing in this rant. Maybe name your rooms after each ICT episode. Example, the episode 18 room. Took the same exact trade. If you can justify your trade and you know why you're managing it, it's a good trade. Those rants are what kept me from blowing my account. You see, someone else loves the rants. Do you live stream daily? I try to. Depends on the life balance. Price has failed to take these highs here so far. It's having a push down to this fair value gap. These are units deployed. They're doing their best. These are our second units, remember. Fair value gap getting filled right now. There. It's tapped into this fair value gap. Let's delete that. And I'm so hungry. This is a 5 minute. Five-minute fair value gap tapped into. What's the DXY doing? Pushing downwards. $103s looks like a nice target. Gap on the 195. 102.95. Just like Scruffy, they rant also, but I enjoy Gary's rants more. It is really a discussion though. It's more a one-way traffic with Twitter Spaces. Yeah, I think it's, you know, he uses his platform for his psychology as well. No denying about that. Fair value gap filled. Let's see if it reacts to that. What is your view on ICT Silver Bullet? I have no view, unfortunately. I haven't looked into it. I've done 32 episodes of the 2022 mentorship. At London Open, it took liquidity from 15-minute low and changed its bias, so I entered and targeted opposite side liquidity as partials. Good stuff. Slightly. Oh, not that. The results. There. How are we doing on the likes? It's time for a poll, I think. You know what time it is. I'm going to quickly have a look on another asset. So give me a couple of assets that you want me to see and we'll do a poll. I know gold and euro is in there. Let me know if you want to see DAX or something else. Sound off. Good one, Marcel. DAX, silver, oil. Murray has come with two options. What do you want more, Murray? Silver or oil? Price is coming back down to where we repositioned. So anything below this price, we'll be getting a better price. However, we're waiting for this to break lower to manage that trade. We're happy with our units here. So DAX silver, DAX and oil. Okay, no one else is piping up, so that's going to be The S&P 500. S&P, right? Got that one in as well. Start a poll. What asset to look at? We have Euro USD. We have gold. We have oil and S&P. 100 votes, and then we're gonna look at it. Let's see how the poll goes. We're starting with US dollar, Euro US dollar, leading the way with 50%. Gold is tight behind with 28. S&P and gold are leading, kind of similar votes. Oil's dropping behind. Murray won't be happy. 40% leading on the Euro USD. It's a tighter, it's a less tight, close race from last time. Euro USD is kind of leading the way. Price is pushing back down, filling this fair value gap. Forty-three votes, nearly halfway. 50% of people want Euro USD. Let's bring the big guns for this. Here he is. Euro USD leading the way, 51%. Gold 24%. Oil 6%. 20% on S&P. A new asset. Oil struggling to keep up, 5%, 58 votes, 40 votes to go. 53% on Euro USD, leading the way. $64 votes, getting closer. Euro USD, leading the way. Am I still long? I am still long. $77 votes, 52%. Euro dollar leading the way. Nothing's changed. Above 50s. Strong decision on the euro dollar today. S&P is struggling to break the 20s. Gold's at 26. And oil is left behind. Gold is having a push for it. 27%. Euro USD holding above the 50s, 51%. S&P is dropping 18%. Oh, you're absolutely right, Pop. I need to add, we'll do the top two. $10 votes to go. 51%. Euro dollar is going to be the winner of this unless something drastically happens in the last 10 votes. Strong push. 52%. 9 votes to go. Pound dollar is still pushing up after a drop. $7 votes to go. 3 votes to go, 50%. Something crazy would have to happen with the last 3 votes. 2 votes to go. 100 votes, so that is euro dollar wins the poll. We're gonna do 50 votes for the DAX or Euro USD. But before we start that, we're gonna have a look at our trade. Here we go. And the final votes. We're going for 50 votes. DAX versus Euro dollar. Do we want a Forex? Do we want an indice? Oh, this is close. Changed dramatically, 53 to 47. Euro dollar is leading. Very strong. But it's close. DAX has got 42% on it. 62 now, increasing a bit of difference. 20 votes to go. It's a short vote. Euro dollar, 70%. 10 votes to go, 71. Euro dollar is going to take the lead, and it has. With 70 convincing wins by the Euro dollar. Whew. That's how we do assets. Euro dollar. Let's go on the daily. Actually, let's change that to red. Let's check our pound dollar trade. We had a push down, fill this fair value gap. That's where we had our original soldiers. So we're waiting for this push up. If we go back, just to see what's going on here, and then we're going to jump on the euro dollar. Pin bars. There's a bit of a flag queen created from here. Looks like we're going to have to reposition that there and that there. That's what's happening now. Price is squeezing. Potentially a push lower, and we're going to be ready to reposition these guys. Euro dollar. Let's see. We took out the sell side liquidity that we talked about. Pushed up. Buy side took out here. Didn't go that high to the 112. It's a bit of a head and shoulder happening here. Look at that. Shoulder, head, shoulder. Roughly equal highs. You know those traders who trade head and shoulders, they'll be like, this is a definite short on the daily. But we don't trade like that. So, we need to zoom in. Keep an eye on the pound dollar. I can see the redness. Actually, let's put our phone here. Where's my trade? Let's see. This price has dropped back to 4 pips. So we're going to look at how we're going to reposition this to get a price. It went up to 16 pips, but obviously that's way below what we want for a target. And daily, euro dollar. Let's grab these and grab this. Previous daily low. So, wow, what a sell-off from the start of the day. Let's see. So we had that push, consolidation, creating lower low highs, and then a break of structure down. Now, what's the most obvious things that you can see here? There's fair values of gaps above and below, whilst pound dollar is also dropping, currently sitting on 3 pips. And what we see here on the 15, let's look at it on the lower time frames. We had that push higher, broke the highs, keep breaking highs, failed to break this swing high here. Sell off into this fair value gap. Now we'll see what happens. If it's going to hold the low, or it's going to break lower to take the swing, the sell side liquidity. At the moment, it's in this fair value gap here. One minute fair value gap. Quite a clean break below these. It's in discounted area. So to take longs, you would have to see a shift or break, a bit of a structure like this, where it breaks the highs, refills, and off it goes. If you're on the short side, you're in discounted area already. So you will be waiting for that retracement back into equilibrium if you want to short it down. But you've had a confirmed break below these. If your plan is to short this. Where could you short it? That's the sell side we talked about. This is the swing. If I can draw it. Tempting to take the lows. Pound dollar still going down. Sticking around the 4 pips. Here. This is our original reposition. We closed that for -$4. Pretty much paid the... Actually, it's $8.50. Why? Because it was -4 plus $4.50. $8.50. $5 is expensive. Should have let it go a little bit higher to kill that. Killed it a bit early. But we repositioned that with a -$8. We could have killed it. What's this move? 9 pips. So at least like 2-3 pips. That would be like $10. I'm very bright today. Let me see if I can fix that. This is our everything opens in the background. Price having an attempt to go higher. That's a little bit better. Dun, dun. That should look a little bit better. Let's go with that. Price now is pushing upwards. How's my baby account doing? We'll have a look at that. Price is now at 10 pips. We priced that fair value gap there. We need a strong break above these highs for it to fly. Baby account. Let's have a look at the baby account. This is our main account. We are 70% there. So what's that? My maths is horrible. $3,571 to hit the next milestone, which is going to be 275,000 account. At the same time, our copier is trading this one here. Look at that. Twice hit that 3%. But we're back close to the highs. It doesn't like repositioning because it closes by positions. However, I'm trying to figure it out. It's going to take a bit of a while, but hopefully now we've sorted it out and we'll pass it. So nearly $800 on this. Touch the 50%. Hi Yanis, how is Discord going? Go back and watch. I did a bit of a announcement about the Discord, quite detailed. So go back and watch it. There's going to be a free version. There's going to be a paid version, which is going to be the Vanguard. $20. Which is going to be a weekly Q&A monthly book club, conscious day trader emojis and emotes, voice chats, and the community. Should be fun. Got a developer meeting at 2 today. Mm-mm. 72% win rate on this one. Let's look at our main account. $62. That's the week. That's the month that we've had. Not our best month. This one here. This week. Minus $96. We better improve that. Fill this fair value gap. We'll see if it goes higher. How are we doing on the likes? 126, slightly better. Eight minutes to 1 o'clock. Bit of volume coming in. Back into that order block. If you are not currently following, make sure you go now and follow. The conscious dot, don't forget the dot, day trader on Instagram. Let's do that. The conscious dot day trader. That's the account. That's the real account. There's a lot of fakes out there. It has about 1,000 something followers. So if there's more, you know it's fake. 1,000, what are we on? We are at 1,441. What do I mean by those volumes? Yes, so these candles. So look at this. That's a volume candle. Mini restriction, resistance, and that's a big, another candle. Like these ones, this is a big volume candle. If you drop in a volume chart, you can see that, boom, this is the highest candle. But I don't need a volume chart to see that. I can see it from the candle. That's the highest volume out of all these candles. Let's delete that. Yes, but you're saying 8 minutes coming in. What's the time which you consider to expect them? What do you mean? 8 minutes was till 1 o'clock. Here they are. Good old Ragnar. his best units, second units, repositioned. These ones, if you're coming late, pushed the price up, took out these units, put them to the substitution, and waiting. Push the price up, had a bit of restriction there, pushing up again, finding it hard to break the highs. If we need to reinforce them, that will be below the previous daily lows. Happy with this entry. But like I've said on some of the comments, the entry is the least worry you have. Most important thing is that how you manage that trade. So if you look at that trade by itself, that's technically a bad entry, but it wasn't because we repositioned it. So it was a good entry. Balaka, happy to be a mod if you think I'm up to it. I was part of ICT chapter 21 and funded up to 550 as of Wednesday last week. Know a lot about ICT silver bullets, etc. Good stuff. The moderation, guys, is going to take some time because I need to see, when we do the weekly Q&As, I will get a feel where someone is. And it's just a process that's going to take some time. The only moderator that I'm happy to include at this moment of time is Marcel. Just because he's been extraordinary with his work ethic. Two minutes. We still got Ragnar on. Forgot to take him off. So let's see. 7 pips in. These are creating lower highs. However, price has been squeezing. And what I mean by squeezing is we've got this price here. Squeezing there. Squeezing there. Which way is it going to break out? If it breaks the lower side, that can give us an opportunity to find a nice entry to reposition. Today. Still in the same position. What time is it? 1 o'clock. 2 more minutes. And the rest of this, we're going to see it in the future. We'll be chatting about this in the Discord. But for now, until we get it up and running, we're going to be on Instagram. Did I take it out? I think I did. So, theconscious.daytrader. Let's have a look. You can see it right there. Let me see if you can see it. Got a new camera, so I should be able to zoom on that. Theconscious.daytrader. 1,444 subscribers. Price going to be weird for a couple of days. Markets for futures close at 12 New York time, and tomorrow's July 4th holiday in the States. Makes sense why there's no news tomorrow. How about taping any funded Fiverr trader that does ICT also, Yanis? That way they can just show their dashboards for their credibility. Yeah, it's gonna take some time to figure that out, but we're not gonna rush, guys. We know the base of the community is a good community. Oh no, really? Did I do that wrong? Let's see. Where's the text box? Did I delete it? Right, the actual Instagram is, here we go again, the conscious.daytrader. That is the one. Oh, you mean on the top? So on the top, you should have the, I can see it, the conscious.daytrader. Then you're starting from the left is the Facebook, Discord, the Conscious Day Trader coming. Then Twitter, which is the Conscious D Trade. And then YouTube, which is the Conscious Day Trader without dot. Let's have a look at the last view on the price action. We are sitting in profit of 9 pips. Let's see where our actual profits would be. $500 are taking those highs, which would be price retracing and taking the highs above here. So with 2 positions, that would be a lot lower. But for us to add a second position, we would have to come to this bottom line here. And highly likely I would reposition that until we get somewhere down here where I'd be willing to leave 2 positions in. All right, guys. We'll call it there. As always, it's been a great live. We've had some updates on the Discord. Trade is going to be going live until we get our target. How long that takes, we'll find out. So hit me up if you have any questions on Instagram. I try to reply. Sometimes it's a bit slow. Make sure you like on the channel, and if you want, you can share that to another guy. The better the merrier. If we have same mentality people to build our tribe and the Conscious Day Trade community. I need some food. All right, guys, catch you 90% tomorrow. If something changes, I'll let you know on Instagram. And have a good one.
Run it. I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my pen ready. Used to hold myself back, my self-esteem been petty. Gotta keep on chugging, ran through everything in front of me. Might smoke bed heavy, got a whole agenda. Can't aspire to get ahead, so bump that, it's no surrender. Got a dollar flipped up, I'm trying to get it an FT to get them when they're hand and crypto, learn how to fix that. I don't really hold out the books, but I'ma learn how to fix that. Some opportunities that never come